Simplify the expression 2 log base invisible 10 of 10 squared minus log base invisible 10 of 100,000 plus 4 log base invisible 10 of 10. All right, let's do this first. Let's move all the exponents up here. So this becomes log of 10 squared squared. I'll fix that in a minute. I won't deal with you. Log of 100,000 plus log of 10 to the fourth. All right, let's do this. I know this is log base 10. So let's write all of these as if they're numbers with base 10. So 10 squared squared means you multiply the exponents. That gets me 10 to the fourth power. Minus log base 10, that's 5 zeros, so that's 10 to the fifth. Plus, and this is already good for us, log base 10 of 10 to the fourth power. Now, log base 10 of 10 cancels. Drop down to 4. Minus. Log base 10 of 10 cancels. Drop down to 5. Plus. Log base 10 of 10 cancels. Drop down to 4. 4 minus 5 is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. The answer is D.